Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm making champagne cocktails. So today I've got 4 champagne cocktails lined up for you. So first I'm going to start with a French 75, which is one of my favourite champagne cocktails. Then I'm going to follow that with a Kir Royale, or technically a Chambord Royale. Then a classic champagne cocktail. And then last of all, a black velvet. Never tried this one before. I'm a little bit scared actually, but make sure you watch until the end and I'll do a side-by-side comparison and taste them all. So first up, the French 75 calls for 45 ml of gin. Today I'm using Seppelfield's Distiller's House Gin. This is from the Barossa Valley. So it's an Australian gin, 45 ml, 1.5 ounces. Very citrus forward. It's also got chamomile in there as well. No, why am I grabbing that? Then we've got 3/4 ounce, 22.5 ml of fresh lemon juice. Now, there are altered proportions with this, so if you want to, you can drop the lemon juice in the sugar. It's completely up to you. 3/4 ounce, 22.5 ml of 1:1 simple syrup. I'm going to fill the shaker with ice and give it a good shake. Now this cocktail you can serve either in a champagne flute or over ice in a highball, or as I like to do, in a wine glass. So I like adding it into a wine glass, plenty of ice, and then pop it. That's been sitting out of the fridge for a little bit. And you can either strain it into the glass over ice, add the champagne, or add the champagne straight into the cocktail shaker so it combines with the rest of the ingredients. Strain that over the top. And garnish with some lemon. You can do a lemon twist. You can do it with a lemon twist or dehydrated lemon. Completely up to you. Damn. There you have a French 75. Next up we have the Kir Royale, or in my case, I'm making a Chambord Royale because I'm using Chambord instead of cassis. So, incredibly simple, like some of these other cocktails as well. This just calls for 7.5 ml, 1/4 ounce of cassis if you're making a Kir Royale, or Chambord if you're making a Chambord Royale, like I am. This glass is quite big, so I'm not going to fill it up to the top. I'm going to fill it up about halfway. And then garnish with some berries. I'm going to skewer some raspberries over the top. And there you have a Chambord Royale. And next we have a classic champagne cocktail. So you want to start by soaking your sugar cube in Angostura bitters. You can use different bitters if you prefer. So a couple of dashes. And drop it into the bottom of the glass. Now top with champagne. And be very cautious and slow whilst you're pouring. As you'll see at the end of this video, you'll probably see what I did the first time. Now this cocktail will evolve over time as the sugar dissolves. There are numerous variants on the classic champagne cocktail, my personal favourite being with Grand Marnier. And garnishing this one with a lemon twist. There you have a champagne cocktail. This last cocktail, the Black Velvet, seems a little bit controversial to me, adding Guinness, a stout, to a French champagne. I'm really unsure about this one. So the ratios are 50-50. It's dark, it's rich. Champagne and Guinness, who would have thought? So top that with champagne. Again, do it quite carefully, slowly, otherwise it will foam up really quickly. It actually looks really nice. It's got a really thick foam from the Guinness. And there you have 4 champagne cocktails. I'll clear the bar and do a little bit of tasting. So on to the first one, the French 75. Gin, citrus, a little bit of sugar, and champagne. Cheers. I do like the addition of a citrus-forward gin with the French 75. I love it served on ice. It's got a little bit of a spritz to it. It's refreshing, citrusy. I think this might be my favorite. Next up, we have the Chambord Royale. Just a small tweak on a champagne. It's got that berry, the French liqueur, the Chambord added into it. So just a little hint of berries. If you wanted to, if you're a sweet tooth, you could add a little bit more Chambord. Or if you're making a traditional Kir Royale, a little bit more cassis. Onto the classic champagne cocktail, which has evolved a little bit. A lot of the sugar has dissolved, so it's going to be a little bit sweeter. Cheers. The bitters is quite prominent. You get those aromatics from that, and I'll try it with a little bit of Grand Marnier. Seven and a half ml, quarter ounce. Oh, it's strong, but I really like the addition of the orange liqueur. It really bolsters it up and adds another dimension. And last we have the Black Velvet. It looks great. So unsure about mixing champagne with Guinness. Thanks for watching.
No.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Nah. Yeah, that's not pleasant. I don't even know how to describe that. It's not a nice drink. The Guinness really takes over, but I do like Guinness. I don't drink a lot of it, but I do enjoy it, and I don't enjoy that. Yeah. 2 great ingredients, 2 great beverages that shouldn't be combined. And I feel really bad because now I've wasted a glass of Moet, or Moe, however you like to pronounce it, as well as half a Guinness. I'm going to drown my sorrows in a French 75. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're keen to see more compilation videos, let me know in the comments below. Cheers. I don't like it.
Yeah, it's really good.
So it's nice and easy to add your sugar to. Speak fucking English. And soaking it in anger.
Why does this also have-
I don't know. It's like the easiest fucking drink. And next we've got a classic champagne cocktail. Fail.
I didn't think I was meant to do that. That's why you crushed it, isn't it? How did he do it in his book?
Can you grab another glass?
So,
I have not made one of these since I was like 18. So shit. It's not a good drink.
why would someone do
But champagne and stout, especially Guinness, it's just like, that's horrible.